Folks, welcome to another edition of my video blog. Over the next series of videos, we're going to be talking about different crimes of theft, ranging from simple shoplifting to burglary. Today's topic of discussion is the crime of shoplifting. In Maine, shoplifting is a Class E misdemeanor. It is the least serious of all the crimes. However, having a criminal conviction on your record is going to have major impact on your future. Sadly, what I see a lot of are young people involved in shoplifting. High school students, college students. A lot of times these kids are doing it on a dare as part of a way to get into a fraternity or just as a way to fit in. Oftentimes it's alcohol that's being stolen. What kids don't realize, and I know it may be difficult to believe, an 18 or 19-year-old person is a kid, but what these kids don't realize is what happens when the case goes into court and now they're staring at a judge and a district attorney who doesn't really feel too bad about their situation, doesn't want to show any leniency, and they're staring down the potential of a life-altering event, which is what happens when you are convicted of any crime. But a theft crime, even shoplifting, is more serious than many of these other crimes, and that's because it's a violation of trust, and future employers look at that very negatively. So it's imperative that if you've been charged with the crime of shoplifting, that you contact a qualified criminal defense attorney as soon as possible to discuss your case. Now, there are alternatives to a conviction for shoplifting. In Cumberland County, they have a program called a shoplifting program that will allow you to take a course where at the end result being that the crime of shoplifting is dismissed. So there are ways to get out from underneath the possibility of a conviction, but you really need the assistance of a qualified criminal defense attorney. Now, again, the penalties in a Class E misdemeanor are a maximum of 6 months in jail and a maximum fine of $1,000. The likelihood of serving any jail time on a first offense crime like shoplifting is really, for the most part, extremely remote. However, the danger is that if this is your second or your third time shoplifting, you will probably be looking at more serious consequences that could include jail. So again, if you've been charged with the crime of shoplifting, you should absolutely pick up the phone, call my office, and I look forward to hearing from you. We should sit down and discuss your case as soon as possible. Thank you.